Warning: the voice in this video was generated by the AI from a video made in French, because we're French-speaking Canadians. Thank you for your understanding. Hi, Guillaume from Enginext. If you have your own Tesla motor and want to use it in your conversion project, I'll show you how. You can use any Model 3 or Model Y rear motor, or even with the front motor for dual setup. Here's what you'll need with our controller: the complete drive unit, the high voltage harness for the rear motor. The motor can be used with any battery from 300 to 400 volts DC, but make sure your battery can deliver the amperage according to the power of your motor. You will need the low voltage motor harness to connect the inverter, the oil pump, and rotor sensor, the Tesla Model 3 accelerator pedal and brake switch. Once you've received your controller and have all the necessary components, you can start to connect the following connections. Plug the high voltage cable from the battery to the motor, the low voltage harness, plug the inverter, the rotor sensor, and the oil pump. The two other plug will connect to the Enginext harness. So here's what you'll get with the controller kit. The controller, the PRND tool if you ordered it, but you absolutely need it, the electrical harness to connect it all together. It's still pretty easy. Plug the connector in the controller, then the two connectors on the motor harness, the brake switch, and the accelerator pedal. The only thing left to connect is the 12-volt supply and the grounds. See schematics. There are two ways to control the motor. The first one is with analog inputs to control the PRND and outputs for the backup and brake lights. The second way is with CAN bus commands, which gives more control and also much more feedback. So when it's all plugged in and ready to go, contact our support department and we'll connect remotely. It will be important to connect the PRND tool to the CAN bus. Then connect the PRND tool to your laptop and give us remote access with TeamViewer. We will then be able to reprogram the motor, the oil pump, and test the motor with you. With this kit, you have 1 hour of remote support included. Please note that we are not responsible if you have a defective motor or bad connections. Afterwards, you will need to purchase additional support so that we can help you. Please note that all our controllers and harnesses have been tested on motors before being shipped. On this, good luck in your project, and don't hesitate to contact us before order your controller.